Guys, don't worry. I know it's been a while. It's actually not that long. It's been like 10 days. But don't worry. You are going to get some new songs. It's just taken a little while. I know the only video that I have uploaded on my channel right now is the intro to the channel video. But things are taking a while, and I need to finish writing songs, and just I'm filming it all, and plus my camera, my phone ran out of storage, so I had to delete a bunch of those, and I was really busy all last week, and I just didn't really have time to film or post anything. So hopefully this Thursday we're gonna get some new songs, and I'm really excited for you to hear some of them. I did post one, but that video privated, and I don't know how to unprivate it. So yeah, anyway, that's all, and I'll see you guys really soon. Thank you.